To change your phone number on WhatsApp Android and add a new number, follow these simple steps. First, open WhatsApp on your Android phone and make sure your current number is active and working. As you will need to verify the change, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. In the Settings menu, select Account. Then tap on Change Number. On the next screen, you'll see an explanation of what changing your number will do. Tap Next to continue. Now enter your old phone number and your new phone number, both with the correct country code. After entering the numbers, tap Next. You will now have the option to notify your contacts about the number change. You can choose to notify all contacts, only contacts you have chats with, or custom select who gets notified. Once you choose your preference, tap Done. WhatsApp will now send a verification code to your new number. Enter the code when prompted to complete the number change. Your WhatsApp account, including your chat history, groups, and profile, will now be linked to the new number. That's it. You have now successfully updated your WhatsApp number on Android. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more useful tutorials.